Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable the forwarding function on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu, and here in the menu, we want to go over to function settings. Now let's go over to receive and forward, and here go to the fax settings. Now, right at the bottom of those settings, you will see the forwarding settings, and here we can enable the forwarding function. As you guys can see, let's enable it. And as you guys can see, I cannot do that because we need to have the destinations registered in the address book, and address book has to be connected with our mobile. So basically, whenever we try to use the forwarding function, we need to make sure that we have our book ready and that everything's set up. But here, as you guys can see, we have the forwarding destination and the file name, and we can easily manage those settings, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.